Hey everyone, welcome back to District Genius. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, why your net worth explodes after your first 100K. Let's jump right in. So you're dreaming big and aiming to create wealth, right? Earning those big bucks takes patience and consistency, but once you hit your first 100K, everything changes. As Charlie Munger famously said, the first 100K is the hardest, but you've got to do it. I don't care what you have to do, just get there. After that, your net worth starts skyrocketing. But why is that? Reason number one, the power of compounding. Imagine you invest $5,000 every year at a 12% annual return. It might take you 25 years to reach that first 100K. But here's the magic. Your next 100K takes just 6 years, then 4 years, and soon enough, you're making 100K every single year. Compounding works like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and faster as it goes. The more you have, the more you earn. Reason number two, you can buy time. We all waste a lot of time on chores, errands, and everyday tasks. But with money, you can hire help, a maid, a cook, or even a virtual assistant. Let's say you save 3 hours a day this way. That's 750 hours a year. Imagine what you could achieve with all that extra time. Reason number three, increased savings. When you're earning big, there's more room to save and invest. Before you know it, your savings grow and you can reinvest for even higher returns. Lower expenses and smarter investments mean your wealth grows exponentially. Reason number four, opportunity size increases. After your first 100K, life gets easier. You've made mistakes and learned from them. Your network expands, and with thorough research, you find better opportunities. Bigger opportunities lead to bigger returns. So how do you get to that first 100K faster? It's not easy, but it's possible. Focus on solving problems that make life easier for others. Leverage your time by learning high-demand skills, especially related to social media or e-commerce. Sell products online or become an expert in your craft. It takes dedication, at least 5 years to master something, but the effort is worth it. Remember, the journey to your first 100K is tough, but once you get there, the sky's the limit. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep pushing forward. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your wealth. See you in the next video.